Good morning everyone. So today morning, Sunday, this is my first ride with the new Dominar 400 and I have with me Simon Says Ride, Nitin MBB and 8 HP. So these three guys actually joined me for this ride. Today we are going towards Malshes, which is around about 80 km from Kalyan. So yeah, let's go. Let's have some fun. Okay guys, it's around 7:15 in the morning and we are just crossed Murbad. Now I guess Malshes is around 50 km from here. Actually I'm trying to break in my engine, so that's why I choose this road, cause if I go to highway I will be like speeding at around 100, 120 even though my braking period is not done. So that's why I choose this kind of a road, so that I can enjoy the twisties, see the scenery around. For the braking, what I'm doing is I'm keeping my bike till around I guess 4000 rpm, 3000 to 4000, and at 4000 rpm my bike is actually cruising at 75 or something. No, at 70, yeah. So 4000 rpm my bike is at 70 speed. So I'm going to ride my bike till next 500 or I guess 1000 km under the 4000 rpm mark, and then after that what we have to do is like go to a highway and just take a trip of round about 200 km, and over there you have to like vary your speed from 70 to 80, 90, 100, and then again likewise. So you don't have to like keep on the single and same speed. You have to vary your speed after 1000 km for the braking. And yeah, now we are stopping at one of my favorite tea stall. That is actually a hotel, but the tea at that hotel is really good, guys. So if you are traveling to this route, Malshes, kindly wait at Hotel Pranjali. I guess the name is correct. Let's hope for the best. I'll show you the hotel. The tea over there is really good. So yeah, now Tokawde is around 20 km. So after Tokawde, I guess around 5 km, the Ghat section will start, and then we will have a real fun. I don't know if you guys can spot it or no, but the sun is coming out and yeah, it's really looking great over here. A sunrise on a highway. Wow, look at it, man. So orange in color. Just look at it. I think it's gonna rain, but the rainy season is not yet there, guys. It's May, but looking at these clouds, yeah. So this is the hotel I'm talking about, Hotel Pranjali. So yeah, we will be having. चाय कैसी थी बताओ फिर से एक बार. मस्त था ना. ठीक है चलो. So guys, this is the last village on road when you are traveling towards Malshes. The name of this place is Tokawde, and now I guess around 5 km we will be starting with all the curves and Ghat section. Guys, this is my village road. Means I actually live in Ahmednagar, Parner, Anna Hazare, you all know. So the Anna Hazare's village is just around 10 km away from my village. Ralegan Siddiqui, that is. Yeah, so I know every turn and every single speed breaker on this route. So yeah, till now I am actually enjoying with my bike. I was thinking that this bike is not that comfortable at the first place, but now as I have done around, I guess, 50 to 60 kilometer on it, it is not at all like paining me. It is so relaxed bike, guys. Like my butt is under control, nothing is happening. The handlebar is little bit on the lower side, but yeah, I'm getting used to it because the Himalayan handlebar was so upright, and this is like little bit of a forward bend. Not that much, but little bit of a forward bend. And now you see over there, from there our ghat section will start. Yeah guys, one more thing about this road, you will be always like encounter these kind of cows, and it is very dangerous actually, so you should always be careful on this route, especially in the night, because these cows were roaming on the street, so they don't have any kind of reflector or anything, so you will be in danger if you don't see properly. If you don't actually spotted a cow roaming on the road in the night, you will end up in a bad situation, guys. So yeah, always be careful with it. And yeah, this corner I love it. Man, when this braking period will end, yeah, come on, I want to have a fun with my new baby. Oh, he rides pretty well, huh? Even he is on a Splendor. This guy really has some great skill. So guys, this is the actual starting of Malshes Ghat. From this point the ghat will start and you will start climbing. सावधान काम चालू आहे. हो ये तो पूरा गिरा दिया. Oh shit, road ये ऐसे था ऐसे. From this side the road will be going over there. This is all the mountain, but now they actually made a road through it. And yeah, let's do off-roading, man. oh shit. Actually every monsoon there is some kind of landslides happen in this ghat. So actually now they are working on it and they are trying to make this route more safer in monsoons. Landslide, yeah, this kind of a landslides, guys. So yeah, you can see it. So this what can happen. So if you are just under it, then you are gone. Wow, man, seriously, I am enjoying this bike. This is the 180-degree turn. So yes guys, we have taken a halt over here for some photographs. That's a Duke 390 if you will be able to spot it. Let's see what we have over here. Hope you guys can see the fog. हाँ, वो देख वो वाला रोड, वो वहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है घाट, फिर ये यहाँ से ऐसा पूरा ऊपर. जो राइट साइड में दिख रहा था वो शिवनेरी फोर्ट है क्या? नहीं, शिवनेरी फोर्ट ऊपर है. ये इधर किधर तेरे को शिवनेरी फोर्ट नहीं दिखेगा. ओह वाह, क्या मस्त हवा आ रहा है, एक नंबर। साइमन सेज राइड।
सुसाइड स्क्वाड। वो तो हम लोग उधर से आए था। बुई 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 बू।
ये क्या है? बुई बुई बू।
स्मार्ट स्प्लेंडर डोमिनर।
Wow guys, it's actually looking fabulous. So now we are going to that lake which is just on the top of Malshes Ghat, and yeah, let's meet you over there. And guys, one more thing, don't wait from this point to that tunnel in the rainy season. I have seen lots of people actually waited along this road, but this is a landslide prone area guys. So I request all of you that in monsoon season, whenever you are going to visit this place, don't stop from here till that tunnel. This route, don't stop it. Stop anywhere in the ghat section, but just avoid this route. So this is the lake I was talking about. Guys, don't even think of coming over here in the monsoon season, cause this whole road will become very difficult to ride on. As you all know, I have a 150cc bike also, so I have dropped my bike I guess thrice in this stretch only in the monsoon season. So yeah, I will not suggest you to come over here in the monsoon season guys. I will try to go as near as possible to the lake. I know one road. So guys, this is the route which will go towards the lake. It's around I guess 1.5 kilometer inside. So yeah. आराम से जा भाई, आराम से। RC200 and Apache 200 are coming. It is bit of off-road, but guys, it's worth it. And bit of a practice of Ladakh on this Dominar. Oh, fan chalu ho gaya. Actually, first time I am hearing the fan, man. Like it is so quiet. Wow, look at it. आवड़ लगा? Let's hear from rest of the guys if they like the spot or no. You like it? ये spot कैसे लगा? भाई अपना गाँव है ये। कैसा है spot? So guys, we are done with relaxing over here. This is really a nice place to relax. You can come with your family, with your friends, and just relax, chill, just sit on the rock and just sit over there and relax, chit chat about the biking and everything. So it's time to get some food for our tummy. Let's hit the road and find out nice dhaba. Okay guys, so this is where we will having something. Jai Maharashtra Dhaba. वहाँ पे बैठते हैं नितिन भाई, अंदर बैठना या वहाँ पे बैठना? साइमन भाई अंदर है, बाहर ही बैठते हैं. So people done with breakfast and now we are heading back to Mumbai. It's the same road, so actually there is no point of recording it again. So yeah, I'll be saying you bye bye over here. Bye guys, thank you for watching this video. It's my first ride with the Dominar. Soon we are traveling a lot on this bike. Till then, keep supporting, keep subscribing. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.
Bye.
Bye sir. Thanks for coming.
Nice. Bye.
Thank you. चले वही तो आ रहा है ना मेरे साथ उल्लासनगर तक. चल बाय बाय.
Bye.